Hey everybody, it's Jared here at Big Pine Sports. We're late night after hours mechanicking again. Just installed the EVO exhaust system for the Can-Am Maverick R. Those tips are looking mighty fine with the shocker set up. Oh, that is looking so good. We're gonna do some final fitment and do a first start for you here in a second. 435-427-3338. Give us a call, shoot us a text. Check us out on the web at bigpinesports.com. We'll finish getting the heat shields and all of that installed. We've still got to button it all up on the electrical side. Stay tuned. Be sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you find our content helpful. If we annoy you as well, post those comments up. But we're here for you. Have a great day, everybody.